Hi friends, welcome to Pen of Jordan. In this video, we are going to make a short review on Gama Model 11 fountain pen, and this is a violet color plastic finish fountain pen which has a trim set in a golden color clip here and a golden color ring here, and there is a window in which you can find the ink level inside this barrel, and the brand's name Gama was stamped here, and this is a thread type mechanism. You have to unscrew the cap to open this, and this is number 4 nib which is in gold plated and has a medium tip, and you can swap the nib as you like. Since we have number 4 nibs in many brands, usually pen enthusiasts will swap with candid nibs, where you can find fine medium broad nibs, and again with the gold dual tone and silver plated nibs, and also flex nibs can be also swapped in this pen. And so the choice is yours, and you can go to our site. For that, you can go to our site and click pen spares, then go to nibs. There you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And here, since the holding area diameter is a smaller one, this pen is more suitable for little fingers like school going children, and also the reservoir capacity is more. You can fill more than 3 ml of ink in this. And here the thread portion, all the threads are tends to worn out, so to increase the life of the thread, please apply silicone grease or Vaseline every time when you open and close the grip area during the ink fill. And whenever you fill the ink, please fill below the inner threads, that is below the barrel, below the inner threads of the barrel. If you fill in excess, leakage path will create it, and if you will spoil your hands. And another important thing in maintaining your fountain pen is, please wash the pen regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on long usage. So it blocks the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing, and in the sign slowly the ink flow will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow. This may have you may have experienced this, and the reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the deposits and dirts, please remove the feeder and the nib feeder unit and the nib separately by holding this together and twist and pull. Try a little hard to remove this. For that, you can use a cloth like this, and now you can twist and pull this. Yeah. The unit will come easily from the grip area. Yes, this is simple 2 minutes process. Then flush the feeder and the with the help of any toothbrush or any brush, and clean well in soap water or in tap water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for 1 hour and brush and clean. And this is so easy to fix this pack. Yeah, that's it. And in some ink bottles itself, it is notified that on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. So here I am going to show the sample. This is Brill, and here it is a dye based ink, and here it is given clean your pen with water before filling with Brill ink. Yeah, so it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. So here I'm going to give a writing sample. For that I'm using our emerald green ink. Yeah, the flow is uniform and the pen is writing so smooth. Yeah, and the another most important thing in the fountain pen nibs is few nibs need to be fine-tuned, because during the manual assembly of nibs, the tines may stick together. So gently push the tines like this. You have to use any knife, or else you can use your fingers to push and pull the both tines equally, and so that a space is created in between the tines, which allows a good ink flow, and in turn you will get a smooth writing too. And please ensure both the tines are to be parallel. If not, you will get a scratchy writing. So yeah, then whenever we dispatch the pen to our customers, we do this fine tuning, and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. And if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can call to us, our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.